It is no surprise that UK is currently dealing with cost of living crisis, recession and whatnot, which has made the government to come up with harsh immigration and visa policies, which is making it even more tough for international students to actually find a visa sponsored job in the UK. So that's why I thought to come up with an alternative. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 6 easiest countries to get a PR. So make sure that you watch the video from the beginning till the end. And if you are someone watching my video for the very first time, then let me tell you that I'm really close to hitting 1000 subscribers. So I really want your love and support. So make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. On to number 6 is Australia, which allows a point-based immigration system, aims to attract skilled workers, making it relatively easy for expats to qualify. It is well known for its ultra-modern and high quality of living. Health services, education and security all are on par with developed countries. The country has diverse landscape from gorgeous beaches to buzzing cities that can provide you with a unique lifestyle. Australia's thriving economy and robust employment market open up many opportunities for expats, especially in the technology, medical and engineering sectors. With an English-speaking environment and friendly people, Australia is the perfect destination for those looking to make an effortless move into a thriving country. There are various types of visa that you can have a look into if you want to settle in Australia, starting from student visa, work visa, temporary visa, short stay visa, skilled visa and visitor visas are some of the options. On to next is Germany. Germany's strong economy powered by innovation and industry provides a solid foundation for expats. Favorable work visa options such as the blue card for skilled professional ease immigrants procedures. With a strong focus on work-life balance and high standard of living, Germany proves to be a hospitable environment for expats. Its culture, transportation and healthcare system all make it an ideal home for the global traveler looking to settle down. The country's strategic location at the heart of Europe opens up the door to travel and explore, attracting global citizens. Another advantage of Germany is that if you would like to learn German, you can get up to 6 months job seekers visa to begin to look for jobs in Germany. It also offers you settlement visa for qualified workers. If you are highly qualified with masters or PhD, the chances of you getting a job is higher. Same goes for IT specialists and engineers. On to next is the Netherlands. Open-minded society embraces diversity, making it an inclusive destination for expats. The thriving job market offers numerous job openings, particularly in technology and engineering. The country's beautiful landscapes and canals are the setting for an expat lifestyle to begin. Dutch efficiency also extends into healthcare and education, making for an excellent quality of life. With a reputation for innovation and sustainability, the Netherlands is well known for being at the forefront of innovation and environmental sustainability and provides a pleasant and modern setting for expats. Another advantage of Netherlands is that it's the best country in the Europe for tech as well as non-tech professionals. It is also the second best place in the world for women. You would require an employment visa to settle in the Netherlands or likewise get a self-employed resident permit. It requires you up to 5 years to get a citizenship in the Netherlands. Well, how can you forget the country of Singapore, which is in mind of most of the job seekers and students when it comes to settling abroad? Because Singapore's streamlined work visa procedures such as the employment pass simplify the immigration process for expats. Its financial strength and position as an international trading and financial center provide numerous careers avenues such as banking, high-tech transportation and logistics. Singapore's safe, multicultural environment and English-speaking population make it a very attractive location. Efficient public services, the best education and a healthcare system ensures an exceptional lifestyle. For immigrants seeking to immerse themselves in a dynamic, bustling city-states, they will find Singapore an ideal place to stay. Another thing to consider if you are looking to settle in Singapore is that you would require a work visa and it would take up to 10 years to get a citizenship in Singapore. You can also start a business on a business visa if you want to settle in Singapore. Also, there was a recent government initiative to start a global investors program which gives access to citizenship just in 3 years, so this is something you should research on. Next on the list is Ireland, which is also a favorite country for all the software engineers and technical people because it is known for its clear immigration guidelines for skilled professionals and students. With its dynamic culture, rich history and pleasant people, the country creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere for immigrants. The robust Irish economy offers excellent career progression opportunities, particularly in the tech and pharma sectors. It is a place where old world charms meets new world innovation, and it's perfect for those wanting to immerse themselves in a fusion of traditional and contemporary energy. And the reason why I said in the beginning that Ireland is a favorite spot for all the technical
technical and software engineers because it hosts headquarters of tech giants such as Google, Meta, Apple and IBM. Also, Irish passport is one of the strongest passport in the world with the visa-free travels to 27 countries and EU member states and over 100 other countries. If you are a specialized individual, then you can get a PR in just 2 years in Ireland, and for non-tech, it requires up to 5 years of residency. New Zealand has become the top spot for international students and also job seekers because with the welcoming immigration policy that they have, including a skilled immigration program, New Zealand is an inviting destination for immigrants, famous for its landscape. From stunning mountains to beautiful beaches, New Zealand is an ideal destination for immigrants looking for peaceful holiday. Due to its compact area size, New Zealand has ability to foster close-knit communities that are both inclusive and easy for immigrants. With a strong emphasis on eco-friendliness and an excellent standard of education and healthcare, the country boasts an equally elevated level of living. New Zealand is a place to go for anyone wanting an easier move to a beautiful, incredibly welcoming nation. The list of visas that New Zealand offers is a visitor visa, student visa, work visa and resident visa. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you find the video informative. If you did, then please don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I'm really close to 1,000 subscribers, so I would really appreciate your support. Drop down in the comment section if you want me to make a video on a specific topic and I'll try my best to make a video on that. With that being said, bye for now.